Flashy funerals is now the new way to send off the dead in Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Bling funerals with loud music, naked as you dare dress, liquor, cigarettes, and weed are becoming more and more prevalent across the island, replacing what was once a solemn occasion. But sociologist Dr. Orville Taylor says that much of the change has come over the last decade when the person being buried has been young. According to Taylor, some Jamaicans have come to normalize funerals because of the frequency with which they have been occurring.
Hard to deal with. Hard to deal with. Where this? Get a bomb.
It is a cultural shift. I think people are becoming a bit more immune to people dying and to young people dying. So there is a kind of numbness they have regarding the solemnity of the occasion, said Taylor. For veteran journalist Faye Ellington, some people no longer see funerals as mourning opportunities. Instead, they see them as more celebratory occasions. A ninth night or week, 20 years ago, people would turn up with their skanky, which is a book of well-known hymns. And depending on which part of the island you are from, other things would be involved. Like if you were from St. Mary, Dinky Mini would be involved. Over in Westmoreland, Gary. Over in Portland and St. Thomas, Kumina. Not all homes or families endorse these things, but it was definitely more funeral, more gloomy, more sad, said Ellington. She argued that a big part of the change is linked to the dancehall culture. As when a member of the fraternity dies, it is usually a big event. And so the lifestyle, the dress, the hairstyle, the sound system, and even the behavior that occupy the dancehall space is what you will get at these funerals. If you look at the celebratory approach, a lot of money is spent on showing off, even though many of the people don't have the money. They ask people in the community, such as the Member of Parliament and the councillor, to assist. They may never have taken care of their family member while they were alive, but once you are dead, they have to pour show great, added Ellington. According to Ellington, in some countries, for example Ghana, death has long been celebrated, and the graves at these funerals are normally indicative of the person's occupation or lifestyle. Taylor agreed and pointed to the ostentatious consumption, which is a big part of the dancehall culture. A lot of people who are dying are homicide victims and people who might very well have been involved in illegal type activities that are linked to the dancehall type culture. Because dancehall is about show, dancehall is about ostentatious consumption and profiling. So you are honoring someone who shares the dancehall culture. Thus, the funeral would be a reflection of that. And I think the funeral homes have adjusted to that as well, said Taylor. A lot has changed, and I am not here telling you it has changed all for the worse or all for the better. It depends to whom you speak and what their priority is, added Ellington.
It's sweet, just a little sweet. It's sweet, just a little sweet. Up for them in the doctor, fine. Up for them in the doctor. Rabba-dabba-dabba-di bambi deng deng. Rabba-dabba-dabba-di bambi deng, gala fine. Up for them in the doctor, fine. Everybody catch a banana, bambi deng.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.